Welcome to Westy Explores. This time, I'm visiting one of London's oldest, busiest and most famous food markets, Borough Market. From artisan cheeses and freshly baked bread to international street food and the now famous chocolate-covered strawberries. Borough Market has become one of London's biggest foodie destinations. But is it worth battling the crowds? Let's find out. Borough Market has been feeding Londoners for centuries. Trading has taken place in this area for over 1,000 years, making it one of the oldest markets in the capital. The current market dates back to the 19th century, but today it's home to over 100 traders, selling produce from across Britain and around the world. Whether you're after breakfast, lunch, desserts, or ingredients to take home, there's something here for almost everyone. The first thing you'll notice is just how busy it is. Narrow walkways packed with visitors, queues stretching outside popular stalls, and delicious smells coming from every direction. It's noisy, chaotic, and incredibly lively. If you're visiting during a weekend or during school holidays, expect large crowds throughout the day. If you prefer a more relaxed experience, try arriving shortly after opening on a weekday. You'll find food from almost every corner of the globe. This is where Borough Market really shines. As you walk past the various food offerings, different smells flood the air. Spanish paella, Indian curries, Middle Eastern wraps, gourmet burgers, fresh seafood, cheeses, fresh pastries, and some incredible coffee. Many traders offer samples, giving you the chance to try before you buy. One thing you certainly won't leave with is an empty stomach. Trying to find somewhere to sit and eat your purchases is another matter. Seating is very limited. This market wasn't designed to handle the amount of people visiting. One of the biggest attractions these days is the chocolate-covered strawberries. Social media has made them incredibly popular, with queues forming throughout the day. Fresh strawberries are coated in thick Belgian chocolate before being served in generous portions. Are they delicious? Absolutely. Are they worth the queue? I'll let you decide. Just be prepared to wait during busy periods, and you'll have seconds to grab that viral photo that you wanted. There seem to be other stalls that are now also incredibly popular. There's the Black Pig, with its pulled pork, and there's also an apple crumble stall, a dessert that feels old-fashioned, but it's back and incredibly popular. Borough Market is not just about ready-to-eat food. The market is also packed with artisan producers, selling everything from handmade chocolates and fresh bread to olive oils, spices, locally produced honey, preserves, coffees, and special ingredients. It's a fantastic place to pick up something unique or create your own gourmet picnic. These areas are certainly a lot more quieter and easier to walk around. Part of Borough Market's appeal is simply soaking up the atmosphere. The Victorian ironwork above your head, traders calling customers over, sizzling grills, fresh produce stacked high, and people from all over the world enjoying great food together. It's one of those places where even if you're not hungry, you'll probably end up buying something. My biggest piece of advice is to arrive early. By late morning, especially on Fridays and weekends, the market becomes extremely busy. Make sure you wear comfortable shoes because you'll be standing and walking a lot. Be prepared to pay either with a card or digitally through your phone, as most traders only accept contactless payments. If you're hoping to film or take photos, patience is definitely required. Security will move people along around the very popular food choices. You may pick up a few bargains as the market starts to wind down, like 3 cookies for £10. The easiest way to reach Borough Market is by tube. London Bridge Station is literally next door, served by the Jubilee and Northern lines, making it one of the easiest food destinations to reach in London. Borough Market isn't the cheapest place to eat, and it certainly isn't the quietest. But what it offers is an incredible variety of high-quality food, passionate independent traders, and an atmosphere unlike anywhere else in London. Whether you're here for the artisan produce, street food, or simply those famous chocolate-covered strawberries, it's easy to see why visitors return year after year. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more. Let me know in the comments if you visited Borough Market and what your favourite food stall was. Thanks for watching, and how about watching one of these videos next? See you next time.